I'll save this bird right now. Okay, okay. It's getting stuck in between the window pane. Okay, just got out. Good job. Okay. So now, I need you to get away from the window. I'm gonna open the window up. Okay, I'm gonna open the window wide up. Careful, birdie, careful. No, 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 don't go back inside. Okay, now I go. Okay, okay. Careful. Careful. Get out, get out. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, now stay away from the window. Stay away from the window. I'm gonna... Here, you need to... Oh, it keeps going back inside the window pane. Okay. Can't get stuck inside there. You're not gonna get out through the window. I gotta open the window up. You have to go under. You have to go around. You have to go... Come over to the bar. Here, I got some sunflower seeds. Damn, I don't like seeing this bird go back up and inside. Let's see how long it takes to get this bird out. Okay. I'm just gonna have to... Okay. Well, as long as I can't get stuck back in there, let's see. Okay, you can't go through. You can't go through there. Look, look, look. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, so frustrating. This window wide open. Let's see if I can get this bird to fly through. Come on back. Come. Okay, I'm gonna use this curtain. Okay. Let's see. Am I gonna have to trap this bird in a jar or something? Damn, I don't want to do that. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Come on. Over here. Yes. Come on. No, not through the window. This one's open over there. Hey, birdie. Okay, birdie. Birdie, go through. Go through. Let's see. Nope, not that way. Not that way. Let's see. I can kind of scoop him or her. Not sure what gender. Let's go. Let's get you on the other side. Got this window wide open. I'll open that window too. Okay. Oh man. Let's go. Stay away from the window. Let's see. Maybe I can block it. Oh, whoa! Flew off. Where'd it go? Okay, I don't know where this bird went, so